Hi, I'm Andy Emery. Do you want to grow beautiful and reliable hardy plants in your garden? I've chosen 3 great options from specialist UK growers for you, all available here at the RHS Plant Centre at Wisley. This impressive building is home to our outdoor plant centre, and here we select first-rate plants for your garden, and you can get the advice you need to start growing from our experts on hand. First, peonies from Primrose Hall, an RHS award-winning nursery based in Bedfordshire. In spring, this luscious new growth, often red in colour, appears between early flowering bulbs, and in late spring and early summer that's followed by gorgeous blooms in a range of colours. You can see these plump buds here are about to open. Make sure you follow 3 rules though in growing these beauties. Don't plant too deeply, about 2.5 centimetres of soil above the roots is fine. Second, locate in a sunny position, and finally use fertile but well-drained soil. To look their best, you may need to stake them, although the Itoh or intersectional peonies, which are newer to the market, are more robust and they can flower for longer. Now, not all plants rely on flower power for their appeal, and ferns are classic options for shady areas in particular. And our main supplier is Country Garden Plants from Corfe Castle in Dorset. There's a range of subtle variations in form and texture, as you can see here. For example, these leathery and robust fronds of the hart's tongue fern, or the fine and delicate features of this polysticum. In particular though, I wanted to show you this brand new variety. It's called Dryopteris wallichiana Jurassic Gold, and it's unique for the combination of goldy orange new foliage and the fact that it's really very hardy. It needs shade and a little moisture. Finally, let's look at trees, and specifically Japanese Acers. This time my choices come from Creedale Nursery in Herefordshire. Now, Acers are loved for their delicate leaves that can change colour several times between spring and autumn. You get an idea of the range of colours from these 2 examples here, the deep red Bloodgood and the vibrant Orange Dream. You need to grow these in neutral to acid, fertile but well-drained soil, ideally with some shelter. They also do well in containers. But one thing to beware of with these is those with very fine leaves, for example this variety Koto-no-Ito. Don't site them on very sunny or windy sites, as they may scorch. Okay, for more details or for other great plant recommendations to suit your garden, come and see us at the RHS Plant Centre or check out our online shop at the link below.